Now, it's been a little while since we've done like a full Stonksy tour, a breakdown of what you get with Stonksy, what is involved in, of course, the indicator itself, what you get when you join Stonksy. So I thought we'd do that today as a little update because I also haven't covered the update to the channels in a standalone video yet, so it's a good opportunity to mix the two. And of course, just take a look at what is going on with Stonksy and, of course, what you get when you join Stonksy. So, what is Stonksy? Stonksy is an indicator. It's a guide in the market through various different features, and basically it measures momentum, it measures trends, and ultimately it looks to give you the guide in the market for upside, downside, and of course maybe times when it's better to do nothing as well. Now, what is the Stonksy indicator? The Stonksy indicator is what you see on the screen at the moment, and it's made up of several different working parts. As you can see, if we flick back through, you'll be able to see all of them in here as well. So let me remove just that bottom part for a minute. So Stonksy is this. You get the background colour change, which as you can see here is the red to green, the no change, which is obviously in white. So that means that the background colour change isn't seeing any sort of momentum or strength or weaknesses in the market. You do get the channels as well. Then you have the bullish and bearish arrow confirmations in there, and then automated support and resistance lines. These are drew on here, and of course the support ones come in green as well. Now, the channels here have had a recent update. There are previous videos on the channels, but they got given an update, so I thought it's a good opportunity to go through them. So we'll go through them in just a second. But that's the base, the full Stonksy indicator and what it does. And of course, the benefits of it are guiding you through the market, giving you indications of strength, weaknesses, times to go long, times to go short, all that good stuff. The other section is what I've just put back on the screen now, is the oscillator. So this is a momentum-based oscillator. And again, this looks to identify and give you times when bearish momentum's coming in, bullish momentum's coming in, when, either or is drying out and maybe possible reversals. And this does this in, obviously, the momentum line. It also has bullish and bearish icons of its own, measuring momentum. And it also does have overbought and oversold signals. We can't see any on the chart at the moment, but they come in the forms of little dots above and below the line as well. So overbought and oversold signals in addition to momentum, and buy and sell signals in terms of the oscillator as well. Now, on with the channel description. So what is the channel? So this came out obviously in September, and the channel V 2.0 update. So adding the channel to Stonksy was done to aid Stonksy users with entries and exits. Now, as you can see, if you know Stonksy, they look different now. They have colours in them, and obviously these colours divert into different ones. They have darker and lighter versions of themselves. They never used to do that. They used to just be the channels, but the colours have been added in. So what are they? You've got the per band colour, so shows bar to bar direction and strength, with darker colours showing greater strength and lighter colours showing weaker strength. You've got the neutral grey base fill, which keeps structure visible on light and dark themes. Directional half glow, which quietly highlights which side, upper or lower half, is currently dominant. It's designed to aid recognition of fade reversals and expansions near the inner/outer bands. So if you do want to have a full read through on this, then you can find this on Medium if you just type in Stonksy, or you can find a direct link to it on the Stonksy website. You see, if you go on any of the pages, it's got the Medium button. You can click that. But if you do want to have a full read through, this is a well put together article outlining exactly what the channel update is. But essentially, it's a more deeper outlook on what is, the price showing you when it's in a certain region of that band or when it's touching that band. And of course, it breaks it down fully to understand exactly what's going on there. So if you do want to know that and you want to, have a deep understanding of it, come and read this article. It's well worth your time. And yeah, that is the update to the channels. So it's obviously worth covering because that is the latest update that we've done in terms of Stonksy in this brief, obviously, update video. Now, the channels themselves in how they work haven't changed. It's just that visual aspect and that addition in looking at, the information that the channels give you. In terms of how the channels work, they work the same as they've done in previous videos, basically giving you the points of extreme bearish or extreme bullish price action, times to get in, times to get out, and giving you all that good importance information in the market when it comes to measuring extremes, such as here, out of bounds, pullback. Here, as you can see, we've just had this coming right into the bottom of the inner channel, and then of course bouncing from there. So yeah, it's a great tool to have. But Stonksy paired with that, of course, comes with the lifetime, annual, or monthly packages. So they come as standard. You get access to the indicator and the oscillator. The Stonksy oscillator plan, of course, is as it sounds. You just get the oscillator and you just get the Discord server. With the rest of them, you get access to everything. Now, of course, we do have the Discord server, which comes on every plan, and we have the trading bots on BLOFIN, which only apply to these first three again. So lifetime, annual, and monthly. The Stonksy oscillator, again, doesn't get the trading bots. It only gets the oscillator and Discord access. But that is what's part of Stonksy. That is what we are doing. And of course, there has not been many updates apart from that latest one to the channels that came in September. We are hard at work behind the scenes as always in delivering value, updates, how can we improve the indicator. But that's where we're at. So if this is your first time watching Stonksy, feel free to leave a comment on the video if you want to know something specific. If you do want to know more about using Stonksy, how you use it in the market, how you can profit from it, there are videos on the channel. Go back and have a look. There's plenty of content on there to get your teeth into. Alternatively, drop us an email, drop us a message on X, come into my live streams that are on all Monday to Friday for 2 hours a day. Ask me a question on there. How do you use Stonksy? Look for any examples, whatever it is you need. You can come and ask me directly. But yeah, that's all for this video. Just outlining, a nice little update. It's been a while since we've looked at exactly what do you get on Stonksy, what's included, what is the indicator. But yeah, there we go. You have it now. So do make sure you drop a like on this video. Make sure you subscribe. And of course, make sure you join Stonksy if you want to. We still have the Bot 20 offer on the monthly plan here. So that gets you 20% off your first month. We don't have any offers on lifetime or annual at the moment. And then, of course, you've got that cheaper plan there. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.